Hey gamers, welcome back to the AI channel. Today we've got a special 2-minute quick guide for you on mastering the basics of game streaming. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just getting started, these tips will help you level up your streaming game. So grab your controller, hit that record button and let's dive in. 1. Choose your streaming platform. The first step to becoming a successful game streamer is choosing the right platform. Options like Twitch, YouTube Gaming and Facebook Gaming are popular choices. Consider your target audience, the features each platform offers, and where you feel most comfortable. A good platform sets the stage for your streaming journey. 2. Set up your streaming software. Now let's talk about setting up your streaming software. Popular choices include OBS Studio, Streamlabs OBS or XSplit. Configure your stream settings. Set up scenes and add overlays to give your stream a professional look. Don't forget to test your stream settings before going live to ensure a smooth broadcast. 3. Create an engaging overlay and branding. To stand out, create an engaging overlay and branding for your stream. Design overlays that complement your game and webcam layout. Develop a unique logo and overlay elements that represent your gaming personality. Consistent branding helps build a memorable and professional image for your channel. 4. Interact with your audience. Interacting with your audience is key to a successful stream. Respond to chat messages, engage with your viewers and create a welcoming community. Consider adding interactive elements like polls or incentives for donations to keep things lively. Building a connection with your audience will keep them coming back for more. 5. Optimize your stream settings. To ensure a high-quality stream, optimize your settings. Adjust your bitrate, resolution and frame rate based on your internet connection. Test different configurations to find the best balance between quality and stability. Regularly update your streaming software and drivers to stay on top of improvements and bug fixes. There you have it, a quick guide to mastering the basics of game streaming in just 2 minutes. We covered choosing your streaming platform, setting up your streaming software, creating engaging overlays and branding, interacting with your audience and optimizing your stream settings. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more gaming content, and hit the bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy streaming and may your streams be lag-free and full of epic moments.